Welcome to Famety. Today we would like to introduce you to our Instagram Down Checker tool. When you find yourself wondering if Instagram is down or if there's a temporary glitch, a Instagram Down Checker can quickly provide the answers you need. This tool offers real-time insights into the current status of Instagram, making it easier to identify whether the issue is on Instagram's end or with your own device or connection. An Instagram Down Checker is especially valuable during peak times when high traffic might strain the servers or when system updates are underway. Instead of refreshing the app repeatedly or guessing what's wrong, this tool helps you stay informed with just a few clicks. Instagram Down Checker is a quick way to get answers. All you have to do is go to the Down Checker tool and click the Check Now button. The monitor shows you response times and check for error messages, alerting users to any service issues. Some tools even show real-time status across different regions, helping users determine if the outage is widespread or localized. That's it. As you can see, it is that simple. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.